Code P000D is a diagnostic trouble code that indicates a slow response from the B camshaft position actuator on bank 2 of your engine. This code specifically relates to variable valve timing systems, which are found in most modern vehicles. The variable valve timing system consists of several key components working together. The VVT actuator controls camshaft timing, while the camshaft position sensor monitors the actual position. Oil flow is regulated by the VVT solenoid, and everything is controlled by the engine control module. Understanding bank 2 and B camshaft identification is crucial for proper diagnosis. In V6 and V8 engines, bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. The B camshaft typically refers to the exhaust camshaft. The most common causes of code P00D are oil-related issues, which account for 60 to 70% of all cases. These include low oil level, incorrect oil viscosity, or contaminated oil. Other causes include mechanical wear, electrical problems, and ECM issues, but these are much less frequent. Since oil-related issues are the primary cause, understanding the oil system's role is critical. The VVT system relies on proper oil pressure and flow to operate the actuators. Low oil level, wrong viscosity, or contaminated oil can prevent the system from responding quickly enough, triggering the P00D code. The diagnostic process for code P00D begins with systematic verification using professional scan tools. First, we confirm the code and gather initial data about the vehicle's condition. Oil quality is critical for VVT system operation. We must verify the correct viscosity specification and check for contamination that could affect hydraulic pressure to the actuators. Phase 2 involves advanced diagnostic testing. We use specialized equipment to measure oil pressure at the VVT actuator and test electrical components for proper operation. Electrical testing is equally important. We use multimeters to check VVT solenoid resistance and verify proper voltage supply to ensure the system can respond correctly. Understanding the VVT system components helps identify the root cause. The camshaft phaser, oil control valve, and timing chain all work together to control valve timing precisely. Timing chain condition is crucial for proper camshaft positioning. Stretched chains can cause delayed response times that trigger the P00D code. Based on diagnostic results, repairs follow a systematic approach. Most cases require proper oil service, while mechanical issues may need component replacement. Industry statistics from 2024 show that 78% of PD codes resolve with proper oil maintenance. This emphasizes the critical importance of using the correct oil specification and maintaining proper service intervals.